already been announced by the school that every single student can check their result and even statement of results to see their academic performance, and for free. So if you don't know how to register this site, I've already made the video how to register this site. Very simple for you, so don't make mistake. If you know you didn't register this site, go and watch the video. It's 2-minute video. Go and watch it. And if you don't update your portal, I've already made the video how to update your portal and register your email address that have already been given by the school. You can see the example of the email address here. It will start with your matric number, so I'll make the video how to do that too already. So you must follow those process before you can come for this. So if you have already done with those one, you have your school email address, come to this site and register. I've made the video, watch it and do it. Very simple. Don't make a mistake, because a lot of students make mistakes. So once you come to check your statement of result, the link will be in the description of this particular video, or go to your group and ask for link to check results. They are all the same in the same place. So a lot of students don't know that they are in the same place. Once you come to this site, at the top you can see 3 dots at the left side of your screen. You click the 3 dots, you see login. You click login, so you put your login details that was created by you already. I've already explained this in the video that I did, that I say you guys should watch. If you know you didn't watch, it's very short video, you can go and watch it, how to register this site. So you put your login details, you click login. So right now, as we are saying, it's loading. You will see your portal, you can see it right here. So once you go to your portal through this site, you see something like this. Exactly, you see, because a lot of students stop here, they think that once the result is displaying here already, but the statement of result, this is how to check it. At the right side, you can see the 3 dots at the top. You click the 3 dots, then you click, you can see the right home result statement, which is very, very simple to check. You click on that result statement. Once you click the result statement, you can see it's very bold, that every single student can check it. You can see your level, all the courses that you registered is here, how you pass them, the year, everything is here. The date that they enter is here. Your class of degree is here. Everything, this course that they take, the one that they pass, the one that they fail is here. You can see this student taking 33 course and pass the 33. He didn't fail any single course. And you can see total credit unit N and outstanding course credit that he remained for him. And it will show you your GP. You can see this one is in second class. You can see second class, and a lot of you are crying to see my class of degree to pay. See it here, second class. Okay, then grade, how many A you have. You can see have 5A, B 9B, C and 14C. The grade is 13, is 3. The D is the guy have the 3D and E2 0F. So you can see you can see courses that you fail and the one that left for you. Everything is in this site. It's very, very simple. So if you are new to this channel, help me to subscribe and like the video. More especially if you are now student, you must like this channel, because I'm dropping important information for you guys here. So you can check, there is some important video that I posted, and there is some more that is coming up. So help me to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So till we meet in the next video. Bye.